Automatic mode is the preferred way to use this machine because it's much faster, but there is a manual mode on here, so I want to show you guys how to use that. One thing I want to point out here is that we're in program 2 or palette 2. So if I go into manual mode, it's going to be whatever the settings are for manual mode in palette 2. If I were in 3, it would be for palette 3. So if I jog down here and go down to manual controls, hit OK, then hit OK one more time. Now if I hold in OK, the turntable is going to spin, and until I let go, it's going to beep. And it's going to keep going. I'm going to go up, hit the jog up button. So I'm holding it in right now. I'm still holding it in. If I let go of it, it's going to keep wrapping right here. Now if I go back and I hit jog up, I'm still holding jog up. I'm going to get to the very top. And then once I get to the top, I'm going to let go so it does one rotation. So I'm going to let it go around one more time. And I'm going to hit OK. That's going to stop the turntable. Now I can cut the film off and go on to my next palette.